Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Thomre. I am Assistant Professor of English Department in Dehwadi College, Dehwadi. Today we are discussing about the play of Harvest written by Manjula Padmanabhan. This is the play all about to the poor family developing about the organs. We are discussing now the objective to understand the various features about the Indian English drama, to complete the post-colonial drama, and to know about the futuristic play, to acquire with the globalization and listers of impact on the development of countries, to understand the themes, motive, and symbols of the play. The introduction about the Manjula Padmanabhan. Manjula Padmanabhan wrote this play in 1997 for the occasion theatre of competition held to the Greece on the challenges facing humanity in the next century. In this play, the play is all about the exploitation of the poor nation by the rich and the sale of body parts to the action unfold in 2010 in Bombay, in today's Mumbai, where is the transplant organs can cast Indian and reverses to the North America. The play Harvest tells the story of poor family of Om Prakash, Ma, Jaya and Jitu. Om Prakash is ready to transplant his organ to the interplantar services to overcome his poverty and enjoy a better lifestyle to the functional transplantation composition to provide human organs to rich Americans. Jitu and his brother Om as their donor. Jaya is Om's wife. To register his strong sacrifices of identity rooted here third world war. Now we are discussing about the plot of this play. The play is all about small poor Indian family exploitation to the rich American. The play has futuristic setting in the Bombay in 2010. In the first act, we are introduced to the family that comprise to Om Prakash. He is a 20 years old, a young man who is ready to breed into the family, and he is a jobless man. His 19 years old wife Jaya, his mother Ma, is a 60 years old woman. Om has a younger brother named Jitu. The entire family is cursed with poverty. The family lives in a one-room house on the third floor of tenement. The Om is in search of a job, so he is outside the house. As the play opens, Jaya and Ma are seen eagerly waiting for his return. Ma dislikes her younger son, Jitu. He is a become male prostitute. Therefore, she thinks that the only one man to help them called Om. She also dislikes her daughter-in-law Jaya as a protest against her for Jitu. When Om arrives at home, he announces about his new job. Ma is so much excited to her son has got the job. Om shares his horrible experience at Interplantar Services to Jaya. He is selected as a donor organ person. They set up to contract module and guards come to the monitor and address his family. Jaya is shocked when she learns that husband has made a contract with the corporation about donating his organs. When she confirms with the guard, Om tells him Jaya is a sister and not his wife. He is the wife of his younger brother Jitu. Om tells lie to the guard because married people are not suitable for this job. Mai is confused about his strange nature. Om's job, does not require to going outside, but he is advised to stay healthy at home. The family is furnished with the needful facilities as per clause and contract. However, Jaya feels scandalous on his introduce himself to Om's sister. She also raises an idea of a being wife of Jitu. When his contract module becomes active, there appears an angel like a woman, Ginny, who interested with this family. She is actually a receiver of organ of America. She come to know the deployment to the condition of Om family. She is disgusted to know of a fourth family that one she told, and she has no toilet in their house. She only can about the hygiene of Om's. Therefore, Om's family immediately get to the new toilet and bath shower. Meanwhile, Jitu is arrived at home and Jaya informed him to their new relation of Om's new job. Jaya want to have children from Jitu, but he refused her wish. A second act reveals that Om has almost been bought Ginny. She provide a flush toilet and new kind of food for his family. The family has now a new TV set, computer and air condition, and 2 cubicles contains bathroom and toilet. This gives the part to deal with the body organs. Om Prakash, Ginny constantly keeps watch on Om's family. Through a contact module, she gives instruction about Om's health. One day, Jitu comes home and shows to the cells of his body. Jaya washes, bound and tricked to make him clean. Om wants Jaya to leave him alone till the entire house is defined. Ma is also aware of that Om has donor as his organ. She feels like a genie is good, kind of generous and loving lady. She is enjoy watching TV. However, Jaya knows that his happiness Om is reduced to cabbage and to not return to fit donate the organ. She thinks that her home as a fancy prison. She and Jitu want to give up a confront Ginny has provided them and live free without fear. The guards of Ginny try to catch Jitu as a mistake him for Om as a donor. They takes him for the transplantation while they hide himself in the toilet. Om fears that they will kill Jitu as officially in their record. Jitu brought on a statue to hat and had converted to heavy blended. The guard informed that the family is Jitu has given the part of his body and they will receive next benefit of a contract. When the third act opened with another revelation that Jitu is eyeless as his eyes are removed for transplantation. He attempted to kill himself, but Jaya prejudiced to him. Now Ginny appears on the contact module to inform to the next place person of transplantation. She takes Jitu as Om to the donor. She wants to more organs of his body. The guards takes Jitu of the next level transplantation. Om convinces Jaya that he will go to the interplanta to tell them truth as he lives. The contract module become active. Jaya listens the voice and Virgil the module. Virgil wants to appear in the full form of before they want to module sings like a rise. The find and healthiest figure to Jitu. Virgil tries to accept Jitu, knows that it is a Virgil explained to Ginny was nothing to compute and were to the dream and that animal to distract. Now we discuss about the Jaya also realize that Virgil is actually a man who talks like a woman. He wants to Jaya, child begin a woman and dreams having a children. Virgil further explained Jaya that is a search of a young man, bodies to live in their young woman bodies. So there Virgil has named to the prologue his libido after 50 years of age. Now he wants 2 children 19 years old. However, reject his proposal, she can care less for such an immortal translation. The realization that Jitu is dead and he is a phantom, Virgil tries to use force to get a girl as a saint guard to his one family. She will perfect death of guards, cause a disconfirm of the family. She is him to leave her alone in jail. So friends, today we are done. Thank you.